Hey, what's going on? It's Douglas J. Beck with Douglas J. Development, and I wanted to reach out to you today to tell you about an awesome opportunity for anyone out there who's looking for the next project. We have right now just about 8 or 9 active renovation projects all across northern and central New Jersey. And I'm blessed to say that we have some really cool opportunities in our pipeline and we have some awesome stuff coming up that we got to make some room for. And so I wanted to reach out today to let you know that we're willing and able to help bring a deal to you from our current active portfolio of renovation projects at Douglas J Development. And this is not something that comes up every day. So stay tuned and listen for some more information here. We got projects in Bergen County. We got about 5 or 6 projects going on there if you're looking for a Bergen County opportunity. We got projects in Union and Essex County as well. And so if you're interested in more information, go ahead and find the place around this page wherever you're seeing this video to send over your information, your proof of funds. We're going to actually provide you with all the details and including a deal analysis worksheet that's going to show you all the numbers with the numbers as far as what this thing is going to look like for you when you actually potentially buy this project from us. The cool thing is this: we already own the properties. We're not just wholesaling a contract. These are projects that are underway. We've already started construction. We know everything there is to know about the house. We've done most of the demo, and in some cases, we've gotten blown through even to larger project. We've done framing, we've done all the rough-ins, all that kind of stuff. So your risk is definitely mitigated. We have appraisals in most cases to support the values that we're going to recommend and suggest that you could sell these for. Obviously, we have the capacity to finish these projects if you should not want to go ahead and actually purchase them from us. So you have our trust in that respect. And on top of that, we're even willing to run the construction for you through our construction management division, which if you haven't heard by now, Douglas J is gradually but really quickly going to be announcing in a big way our construction management division, which has got not just the people, not just the process, but some really awesome technology behind it that's going to help you excel and scale your renovation business in 2021 to any level you want to go. You want to run 2 projects at a time, you want to run 10 projects at a time, you want to run 50 or 20 or whatever it is. We're here to help you make that happen. So anyway, about our current portfolio, we got some really cool stuff going on there. Looking forward to working with you if it makes sense. Some of these projects have close to 6-figure profits at the numbers we're willing to sell them for. So really a lot of meat on the bone left for you as a cash investor. We are looking for cash buyers only right now. We're not looking for any mortgage buyers, although if you have a referral or if you know someone looking for a house, should you not want to buy it from us, we're obviously willing to potentially sell it at our full retail price when the project is complete. So anyway, hope this helps, and I'm looking forward to talking to you real soon. Go ahead and send over that information to us at the link below or at the email address you see below this video, and we'll talk then. Thanks so much.